Today, I'm taking you back to the beginning, and in order to do that, we have to take you all the way back to 2018, when Mick and I first started talking about making a big change in our lives. We decided we really wanted to shake things up. We wanted to break free from regular life and travel the world with our kids, showing them new cultures and experiences. About a year after making the decision to work towards our new travel dreams, we had a moment that changed the direction of our plans. On one of our annual boat trips with my mom and dad, we sat around one evening talking about all our big dreams and plans. Mom and dad talked about one of their lifelong dreams of sailing off into the deep blue sea. I told them to just do it. There's no better time than the present. They had their concerns of taking off on such a big journey, just the two of them. All I can tell you is that we spent the next 10 days together, traveling through the Gulf Islands and non-stop talking and mashing our dreams of travel together to make them a reality. So come along with us as we pack up our lives, move in together, and plan our adventure of a lifetime. Well, we are exactly like 6 months away from moving out of our house. To move in with mom and dad so we can all save lots and lots of money for our trip. We're not going to be selling our house, but we're going to be renting it out. So we're trying to get everything in tip-top shape so we can find some excellent renters. And I'm just trying to pack what I can and thinking about what we're going to need. It's a little tricky because it's not like we're just packing up and moving once. We're moving to the farm where we're gonna still be working and we're gonna need things, and then we'll move again to the boat. So it's a tricky thing to figure out what you're gonna need between now and when we go to the farm, and what we're gonna need at the farm, and then what we're gonna need on the boat. What are you doing?
Cleaning.
Why?
Cleaning. It's messy, and I think mice are getting into the house, and I'm pulling all this out to see if there's holes that go through. Yep. And it's Sunday morning. It's a great day.
And then it was time to clean the kids' rooms. Does anybody understand how kids accumulate so much stuff? It's ridiculous. We sent our kids off to the grandparents' house and we tackled both of their rooms in one day. It was a massive effort, but it paid off in the end. We just now have our first empty room of the house, and it's echoey and weird, and I kind of started getting all the feels and feeling sad. We moved into this house almost 9 years ago. Thomas was 6 months old. And it's sad, even though we're going on a huge grand adventure, this moment feels sad. How do you feel?
How do I feel?
How makes it real when the room's echoey and empty?
Feels great. Feels great. Clean. Everything's going. Dust bunnies everywhere.
Yeah, they're flying around your
Yeah.
head in the video.
Oh, I already have a hat on.
Changing shoes. So wet. Changing shoes. My toes are getting wet.
Oh. Is it tailgate party time?
Oh yeah.
Oh, someone even brought hand sanitizer out. It's moving day-ish. Day one of moving day. Coronavirus got us like, hand sanitizer's the bomb.
Hi. I thought it was a picture.
Eating some dinner?
Do we?
I don't think so. Well, we are paring down to 2 bedrooms, so we really need to not have too much stuff. This was just the only size truck that was available. It's officially moving day. Step 1 of moving day. Take all the junk to the farm. Oh, we have this giant truck that's only a third full. And it's perfect because we're downsizing. It's been a lot of prep work to this day. It's been emptying rooms at the farm, selling stuff. It's been a lot. Thanks to coronavirus, we're now homeschooling while we try to move and downsize. So that's fun. Bye!
I'm gonna just take on it. Actually, no.
There goes all our most important possessions for the next year. Everything left behind, we don't need. Here's the new home.
Cool. Cool.
Do you think our truck is big enough, Thomas?
What do you mean, like giant?
The moving truck? Do you think it's big enough?
Yeah.
I can't believe we've done it. I feel like I can't catch my breath because I'm exhausted and totally emotionally overwhelmed. But our house is pretty much empty. And we slept here for the last time last night. It's kind of overwhelming. Hey, dude. That's all our donation stuff. Kitchen's just a war zone. Gonna join me for a little
yeah.
box porch sit?
Do you want another cushion?
Pull up a
You've only
cushion.
got one.
There you go.
Dinner looks great, thank you. Yeah. Oh. That's good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
In 2 days, we hand over our house to a new family.
We do.
Load up the car.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Get out of the way. Bye. Bye.
Bye. No, bye. Bye. No, I didn't say bye. 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 House. Bye.
Bye, little house. You've been a good house. We're gonna miss you a lot. Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.
My little house. Be good, little house. We love you. And just like that, that chapter's a wrap. And now it's on to farm work to get this place ready and Mom and Dad ready to depart.